The co-founder of OnePlus, Kalpi, is going to launch Nothing phone and said that it will be a breath of fresh air to the sleepy smartphone market. So we all are excited for this phone, and the best thing is that we don't have to wait for a long time. This phone is going to be launched on July 12th. We will going to see the full details of this, so stay tuned till the end. Design. There will be both side glass protection in front and the back. The protection will be Corning glass protection, most probably Corning glass 5, and the frame will be aluminum build. Overall the design will be unique. In the back panel on the top left there will be two camera setup. There will be some more lighting. In front there will be a punch hole camera on the top left corner and with thin chin. Overall the design and build quality will be outstanding. The display will be 6.55 inch Full HD 10-bit OLED screen. 10-bit means there will be 1000000000 colors. The aspect ratio will be 20:9 and the pixel density will be 402 ppi. And with it, wide on L1 support will be there and also HDR, and the refresh rate will be 120 with 240 Hz and 300 Hz touch sampling rate. Overall, the display quality will be great. Performance. It has been confirmed by the official that it will have 778G plus 5G processor, and the gaming GPU will be good with Adreno 642L GPU. So the performance will be decent. RAM and storage. It will have LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. There will be 8 and 12 GB of RAM option with 120 and 256 GB storage. Overall the performance will be good. In the back side there will be two camera with 50 megapixel main camera and OIS. The second camera will be 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. So there will be no unnecessary camera like Chinese brand. You can record 4K video with 60 fps, and in front there will be 16 megapixel camera. With it you can record full HD video with 30 fps. Overall the camera setup will be good, but it heavily depends on the software optimization. The battery will be 4500 mAh and it will support 45 watt charging. But there will be no charger in the box. You have to buy it to get the full charging speed. You will also get wireless charging support and reverse charging support. So the overall battery module will be decent. Port. There will be Type-C port for charging and data transfer, but there will be no headphone jack. Port is okay. Sensor. There will be side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock option. And there will be all the other necessary sensor like compass, light, proximity, gyroscope, etc. The sensor package will be good. Software. So the software will be Android 12 with Nothing OS. Software experience will be good. Speaker. Dual stereo speaker will be there with Dolby Atmosphere certification. So the audio quality will be good. So the overall package is good. It has the potential to fill the space in the premium mid-range smartphone gap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such update tips and trick videos.